Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss about computerized information system. First of all, what is the objective and the scope of the CIS? It is basically the same as the traditional system where the objective of the CIS is to express opinion on the truth and fairness of the financial statement, while the scope of the CIS is governed by the rules and standards. Moving on to the internal control in CIS environment. There are two types of internal control, which is application control and general control. Application control is to ensure the completeness and accuracy of the data processing. The application control are divided into 5 ways. First, data capture control. All transactions are recorded in the application. There are 3 ways of capturing data in an IS: source of documentation, data entry, and combination of the two. Secondly, data validation control, which to ensure data is accurate. Third, processing control, which to prevent and detect errors when transacting data. Fourth, output control, which to safeguard computer output. Fifth, error control, where the error should be corrected and then resubmitted. Alright, moving on to the general control. This control covers the environment where it relates to the overall information processing environment. The general control are divided into 4 ways. First, data center and network operation, which control over computer and network operation. Second, system software acquisition, change, and maintenance, which acquisition should be authorized and approved. Third, access security, which refer to physical protection of computer equipment. Fourth, application system acquisition, development, and maintenance, which to ensure the reliability of information processing. Next, we will look at the auditor evaluation on CIS. First, auditors are required to understand the company CIS, and this is to check the internal control. Lastly, we will look about the types of computer-assisted audited techniques. But why do we need the CAAT? It is to improve the effectiveness of efficiency of auditing procedure. CAAT is divided into audit software and test of data. The first type of CAAT is audit software. It is to detect the violation of system rule, to detect unreasonable item, and to select item for audit testing. Under this audit software, they are divided into 2 more types, which are number 1, package program or generalized audit software. It is to perform data processing function. Second, written program or custom audit software, which written by the auditors to specific audit tasks. The second type of CAAT is the test data. It is when the auditor tests the data from the operation of the enterprise computerized program. For example, auditor create a set of stimulated data which include both valid data and invalid data. Then the auditor manually calculates the result from the stimulated data. With the simulation data entered into the entity's computer program, the valid data should be properly processed and invalid data should be identified as error. The results are compared to the auditor's predetermined result.